This is how to make these three sounds. So method 1's the one that sounds most like what I think of as a yoi. You just add an analog, switch the square wave, add a filter, add a Bitcrush, bring that down to like 150, 180. Oh, that's fine. Add some Q on this low pass. A little more maybe. That's more like it. And then you want to macro that, I guess. So that's like 29 on the macro. The filter is set to 147. This is at 146. I'm playing, I believe, a C1. There you go. That's the first method. Second method, create a wavetable. Choose for a wavetable vocals and then formant sweeps. Most of them are pretty decent. Uncanny Valley is pretty cool, sounds robotic. But formant sweeps and then just... it's a little too high. Then you can macro that. Third method, create a wavetable, might as well. We just need a sine wave, but you can use a wavetable. Another wavetable and another wavetable. On the second one, find the triangle tooth, there it is. And on the third one, bring up the editor. Create a new table. On the first frame, let's make this sawtooth ramp. And switch to harmonic mode and essentially high pass everything above the third one. Done. Close that. Switch the harmonic on this saw to like 32 and modulate the phase on the first one to about 25 to 30%. And with the triangle also modulate it but full wet, and then macro those two modulations. This will be too high, so I'll just pitch it down. I'm playing with the computer keyboard. You can play around with the harmonic.